Hi, it's Joe. Welcome to the Quilt Report. What I've done today is I set up three long folding tables with my cutting mats on top of them uh, so that I can sew some of these big pieces together. I've been sewing big pieces in my back room there. It's so cramped. I'm sewing right up against a window. And here I can sew out into space. I can't recommend this highly enough. If you have to sew something big, get a giant space with a giant cutting table and a giant ruler, and you can sew right out onto your table, and it's really, really nice. See what I mean? You just can't beat this. Every single seam that I'm making at this point seems to be a long seam. That's what it seems to be. um, and So I need the space, and I'm so lucky to have it. It's the first day of Pride Month here in San Francisco, and I live I don't live, my studio is right across the street from the LGBTQ Center of San Francisco, so they're having a big street fair. I can hear the music while I'm working. Um, and I can sew and I can cut. Can put my big old 8-foot ruler here. And then eventually, like I was talking about the other day, I'm going to be able to um, trim everything on this table too. Uh, so uh, this is what I'm doing. I got a bunch of scraps left over from earlier things, and I'm making primarily white stuff, but some of it is going to be not white. It's going to be some other color, and I got to cover all of these walls, so I need to make a lot of stuff, and that's what I'm doing. So um, just remember, when you got to sew a wall size set of things, what you want to do is to stay hydrated, get a big old space, get a big old table that's also a cutting table, make yourself comfortable and settle in, and get busy. See you soon. Thanks for stopping by.